give your images the best chance of commercial success with these 9 top tips. Be authentic. One of the most common things we hear from image buyers is that they want images to feel real. If the image includes people or depicts a situation, it is better that they look natural rather than posed or staged. Make your photos unique. Images that they've never seen before. For example, there will always be a demand for images that represent common themes, but if you can represent it in a unique way, it will be much more attractive to prospective buyers. Take photos that celebrate diversity. Images that accurately display our culturally diverse world are in high demand. Pictures of worldwide events, multicultural landscape, and diversity in any form is a big sell. Leave space for text. Often, a designer will need to overlay some text or graphics on your image for their project. Consider this when framing your shots. Leave enough clean space for copy, also known as copy space, and additional design elements. It could help your images sell more. Use the rule of thirds. This is one of the golden rules of photography. Use it to produce more aesthetically pleasing, balanced images. Imagine every image is dissected into a 3x3 grid. Important compositional elements should not be centered, but placed along the vertical or horizontal lines or their intersections. Most camera models have a feature which will overlay a 3x3 grid on your viewfinder to assist. Avoid camera shake to take crisp photos. Images need to be crisp and focused to maximize their commercial value. Hold the camera steady, or if you can, when shooting landscapes or still life shots, ideally use a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, try testing your camera on a stable object like a table, fence, or billboard. Think about the background. The background can be the difference between an average shot and a fantastic shot. Make sure it contrasts enough with your subject, that it's not too busy or noisy, and that it's aesthetically pleasing to complement the composition as a whole. Make your vision a reality with manual settings. Shooting on auto is a good way to start when first making images and getting to grips with composition, but learning how to use your camera's manual settings will give you ultimate creative control over your image. We highly recommend dedicating a couple of hours to sit and fully read your camera's instructions or manual. You'll be surprised at the variety of things you can do with manual settings. And finally, don't over-edit. It's usually a good idea to eliminate any noise or dust that may have found its way onto your image, or sharpen your images and adjust any color casts, but don't edit or filter them too much. Image buyers like to have the ability to edit the image themselves, as they often may need to, in order to fit with their design and specifications. The same goes for cropping. The less you cut out, the more an editor or designer has to play with.